Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day right here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。你做嘛？你可不可以用爱用语呢
？Oh, I'm sorry.
你做嘛
？The reason I'm laughing is because I just read a report that laughing is good for you. 因为最近读到一个报道，要笑口常开，
笑
对，这样子才会对身心健康。你喜不喜欢笑？
好啊。
Well, according to the research that was done, testing a group of people that have heart diseases, if they surround themselves with laughter or comedy all the time, the chances of them having another heart attack is only 8%, while others who don't do that would have a 42% chance of having another heart attack. Now, there's so many different types of laugh, right? Like that, what we just did. 我们那个等于是我刚刚那个啦，笑口常开，很大声的笑嘛，很笑到
嘴巴巴。
哎，什么嘴巴巴？
嘴张开啊！
嘴巴巴。
笑當歡喜嘅笑，嘴巴巴，嘴愛擘開來啊！
笑就是
笑到嘴巴巴，
笑就是笑。OK, 笑 is laugh， 到
笑到嘴巴巴。
嘴巴巴 that means laugh out loud with your mouth wide open. OK，那如果只是一个 smile， 那笑眯眯，
笑眯眯，笑眯眯，
笑眯眯。听起来好好玩哦 ，OK， 好，再来，就是有些时候呢，听笑话可能会笑到眼泪都飙出来了，
笑到流木子了，
流什么？
流木子，
木枝是不是？OK， that means when you laugh so hard that you're bursting out in tears. OK，
还有会笑到肚子痛哦。
哦，也有，对，
笑到肚子痛。
所以这些呢就反而不好了。That means laugh until you have a stomach ache, right? 笑到肚子痛。
肚子痛。
And finally, what I found that Alice is so good at is a witch laugh. 巫婆的笑，哈卡怎么说？
巫婆。
Alice 係巫婆。Sorry, no, I don't mean that. 錯，唔錯不是對嗎？
唔錯是不對。
唔錯是不對。
錯才是對。
對，好，所以你不是巫婆。All right, that's it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太假
And keep on smiling. 俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.